Weight is the enemy of speed, and every little bit matters on a performance-oriented vehicle. With this in mind, Elevate designed and had contract manufactured our exclusive titanium studs and lug nut set. Reducing critical unsprung weight right at the wheels helps improve braking, handling, and acceleration. Less weight equals less inertia. Installing our studs make it significantly easier to install your wheels when compared to the cumbersome factory wheel bolt system. The combination of our titanium stud plus titanium nut is a direct replacement for the factory wheel bolts on many modern Volvo vehicles. The finished product weighs about 1/3 the weight of the factory wheel bolt, quite a reduction in weight. Titanium's natural durability and resistance to the environment will keep these lug nuts and studs looking great under adverse conditions. Our complete system includes 20 titanium studs, 20 titanium lug nuts, a 17mm thin-wall deep socket with a 1/2-inch drive that has a protective non-marring sleeve to protect your wheels as you install and remove your lug nuts, thread locking compound to secure the studs to the wheel hub, anti-seize compound for the threads, and a 6mm Allen wrench to install the studs. Installation is very straightforward. Simply apply some of the included thread locking compound to the stud and secure using the included Allen wrench. Once the thread locking compound is dried, apply some of the included anti-seize lubricant to the stud before threading the nut. Torque the nuts to factory specification. Learn more about the Elevate Titanium Stud and Nut System along with other products at www.elevatecars.com.